And we're trying to figure out, Ray, just how much the consumer is slowing down here into the end of the year. What's your perspective?
Sure. Well, thank you for having me on. No, actually, we have centers in Dallas, Nashville, Aspen, Charlotte. So we have a pretty good national perspective, and our tenants are LVMH, Curium Brands, Reachmont. So we really cover the highest part of the luxury tip of the spear, as we call it. And in conversations with them, the last 2 to 3 weeks, they've seen customer traffic really increase, and we've seen traffic in our centers increase as well. And so we're encouraged going ahead. If you talk to them, their sales between now and 2019 are up between 50 to 200%. Primarily accessories they're selling a lot of, and we're very encouraged going into the year. You know, the headwinds we're looking at going into this summer are primarily supply chain issues for a lot of these brands just getting supply into the stores.
So your view is more from a luxury standpoint, and you don't see slowing down. It sounds like you're seeing acceleration in traffic there. Is that right?
Yeah, acceleration, and also we're seeing that, you know, across the country throughout our portfolio. But again, we're the very highest end centers that you could possibly have, and so and the brands. And I was at the International Council Shopping Centers earlier this week in Las Vegas, and walking through those malls in Vegas, I know they always seem like that, but all the luxury out there was jam-packed as well.
Ray, we've had a lot of discussion in retail about shrink, and I know it might not be as big an issue on the luxury side, but are there interesting ideas circulating about how to fix this structurally across retail?
Well, you're talking about, define what you mean by shrink exactly.
Theft.
Anything, yeah. Any exit of inventory that is unpaid. I mean, it could be employee theft, it could be supply chain theft. Yes.
Yeah, shoplifting is what you're talking about.
Yeah. In a sense.
Well, look, it's been around since the beginning of time, and our centers, we have a heavy security presence that people can see on the streets. Most of the luxury stores have security within the stores, and so we pretty much all our retail is in jurisdictions that prosecute. So we haven't had really much of an issue at all. What's been interesting that our security team spent a lot of time on is credit card theft and people trying to pass false credit cards into the stores. And so that is something our security team is having to spend a lot of time on, is getting calls from the stores saying someone's trying to pass a bad card. But as far as theft and people walking out with things, we have a big presence. Our store sizes are not that large, and so it's not like a large format store where someone can walk out. I mean, there are a lot of eyes on the customers in our centers.
Are you expanding in this environment, Ray, with the cost of capital being high?
Yeah, absolutely. We've made actually this week a very large offer on a luxury center, and we in another market, but we are actively trying to buy. We think the luxury market is something that's going to grow, and it's an area that, you know, it's kind of a unique perspective because it's primarily outside of the malls, and we're open market, you know, open area type walking. And the brands are expanding. They like what used to be considered secondary markets, let's say in Nashville or Charlotte and areas like that. Those are areas they wouldn't have considered in the past, and today that's kind of where all the expansion is coming into the market. And as you know, I've got a large a restaurant portfolio, and I'll speak to that real quick as well. We've got a very extensive portfolio and thousands of employees in that business. We're seeing sales there kind of flat. Customer traffic across the portfolio has been flat. Our sales are up about 4 or 5%, but that's primarily because menu prices have gone up. But between now and 2019, restaurant sales are up around 20%, and we've been encouraged there. But, you know, the supply chain issues you hear in other places, you know, we're seeing in the restaurant business as well. People wouldn't think chips would have anything to do other than eating them in a restaurant, but things like refrigerators, refrigeration systems, margarita machines, we're having a very difficult time getting them because that's sourced through China and chips. So, you know, if you want to have your summer margarita, you better hope we get the supply chain working.